How much does an electrician make in Saudi Arabia? On average, an electrician in Saudi Arabia earns around 11,000 US dollars a year. That works out to roughly $917 per month before tax. While this gives a good general picture, workers in big cities usually earn noticeably more. So an electrician's salary in Saudi Arabia reaches around $13,000 annually in Riyadh. That sounds like a big jump, but higher daily expenses in the capital often balance out that extra pay. You'll also start below this average when you first begin, though electrician wages increase quite quickly during your early years. That growth usually stops after a while, unless you step up your qualifications. Having a proper degree helps you earn substantially higher income, and it lets you move into better roles like electrical engineer or project manager. On top of that, small local firms pay a fraction of what large multinational companies offer, which is why big employers attract the top talent.